All right, for step 4, you are going to cut shapes from a blank page. So you're gonna come to your sketchbook and you're gonna find a page that's blank, and you are going to cut out a shape. It doesn't matter what kind of shape it is. It doesn't matter if it's perfectly framed in your sketchbook. You're just going to cut 3 separate shapes, and then you're gonna set those aside because we're gonna use those later. And I would just like flip through it, find something that's random, and then just be thinking about what kind of shapes you're creating, because we're gonna work with them later. And I'm not perfect about it. I kind of just get crazy with the type of. I can always clean the shape up later. Okay. And then you're going to cut from a page that has marks on it. So you're going to flip through and you're going to find a page that has some sort of texture. So take this page, for example. This page has marks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a shape from this page that includes the mark. Just like that. I have a hole. And I also have 4 pieces of paper that I'm gonna work with later. Okay. The next thing that you're gonna do for step number 6, because we just did 2 steps, is you're gonna come to a page, any page that you like, and you are going to make holes in that page using the tools that you found to make holes. So I have a trimmer, a needle tool, and a hole punch, and I'm just gonna start going crazy, and I'm just gonna start making holes in this sketchbook page. What happens when I make small holes? What happens when I make bigger holes? I'm gonna do it however you like, in whatever capacity. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a chalk pastel, any color that you'd like. I'm gonna use blue. And I'm gonna take the chalk pastel and I'm gonna go over these holes so that I can see what happens to the pigment on the other side. What happens to the other side of this sketchbook page when I run this chalk pastel over this page? Okay, just like that, and then you'll flip it over and you'll see how the holes interact with the chalk pastel. How did the small holes work? Did it work? Did the bigger holes work better? This is a way to get us thinking about experimenting and not getting too delicate about the final product, because sometimes we have to try multiple things in order to get the end result that we like.